हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं डॉक्टर मेधावी गौतम, कंसल्टेंट डाइटिशियन, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस एक्सपर्ट, डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर मेधावीज न्यूट्रीफिट। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर कीपिंग सेफ एंड हेल्दी। अब हम लोग आज जो कि लॉकडाउन खुल चुका है, वी आर ट्राइंग टू कम डाउन टू आवर नॉर्मल लाइफ, and this normal life is not the same as before. It's a new normal for us, and we have to cover up in this new normal, cover up ourselves, cope up with the new normal by doing exactly what actually this we demand for. अभी क्या हो रहा है, लॉकडाउन तो खुल गया है, but that doesn't mean that corona has gone or the covid situation is all over and it's all back. No, it's not. We have to live with covid for some time, or we don't know till how long, and this is our new normal, and with this we have to keep a lot of precautions also. Don't think that the covid has gone and we have lost on all precautions. I'm talking about precautions in diet, I'm talking about precautions in your lifestyle. सबसे पहले और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, क्योंकि अब लॉकडाउन जब खुला है, क्या हुआ लॉकडाउन के वक्त में, वी हैव ऑल ट्राइड ऑल गुड न्यू रेसिपीज, है ना। हमने सब कुछ वो लेने का कोशिश किया, वी ट्राइड हैविंग ऑल गाला रेसिपीज, रेनोवेट किया हमने खूब जंक भी खाया, हमने खूब अच्छे से रेलिश किया, एंड वी एंजॉयड आवर लॉकडाउन. I have no complaints with that. We should have done it because we had a good family time also. But now when we have come back to the normal life, and I should say the new normal now, we have to keep couple of things in our mind. क्योंकि लॉकडाउन खुला है तो एकदम उसको ओपनली वी डोंट हैव टू कम बैक टू रश बैक टू द सेम काइंड ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल विच वी वर हैविंग बिफोर. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कम बैक टू योर नॉर्मल ईटिंग हैबिट्स, है ना. वी ट्राइड इनफ ऑफ गुड रेसिपीज, सब कुछ हमने ट्राई कर लिया जितना हो सकता था, बट वी हैव टू कम बैक टू आवर गुड ईटिंग हैबिट्स. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग विच इज लाइक दिस, दैट वी हैव टू कम बैक टू द सिंप्लिसिटी ऑफ डाइट, कि आपको जितना हो सके कम बैक टू द नॉर्मल सिंपल डाइट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. उस वक्त हमारा इरेगुलर ईटिंग पैटर्न्स बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा था. एज फार एज व्हाट आई हैव सीन इन द लॉकडाउन, देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ इरेगुलर ईटिंग पैटर्न्स. ब्रेकफास्ट बहुत हैवी हो रहा था या लंच बहुत हैवी हो रहा था, कभी आप इंटरमिटेंट स्नैकिंग मिस हो रही थी, तो कभी डिनर्स आप मिस कर रहे थे बिकॉज यू हैड more of heavier things in your lunch or maybe in your breakfast. So that irregular eating pattern was too much there in the lockdown, but we have to come back to regular eating pattern. Switch back to small and frequent meals. बहुत important है to switch back to your small and frequent meals so that some amount of energy is continuously going up, because you're back to your workplace, आप वापस अपने कामों पे लग गए हो. You need that much of sufficient of an amount of energy to cope up with your levels of work. Because in lockdown you were not doing so much, or it was for more of work from home, so you were at home and relaxed, but here you are going back to your normal. So come back to your small and frequent eating habits. You have to have that some amount of energy going on, releasing on a daily basis. So please do not skip any of your meals. Have your breakfast, have your lunch and have your dinner. No irregular eating pattern should be there. So especially your breakfast should be your surely first to go with meal in your day. So your irregular eating patterns has to come back to the normal. Second thing is very important, is you have to avoid the stressful eating. What you are actually, we are all doing now. The stressful eating situation, we have to come over it. तो आपको हर चीज को आराम से comfortably, you have to have relax your meal. You have to carry everything with you if you are out for a longer duration of time, and if not, if coming back at home, then you have to have this kind of pattern that you are having thoda meals, and do not take too much of stress in eating. Have relaxed eating, and so that you are avoiding that kind of stress in your eating habits. The third thing is very important. During lockdown, we had a real big crisis of vegetables. Real big crisis. There are many people who were just taking some potatoes or something dry vegetables which you could have had. But now, fortunately, as the lockdown has loosened up, we can easily access to our vegetables, and we don't have to dish to our fruits and vegetables. Have good amount of fruits and vegetables in your diet. And as long as whenever we talk about stressful eating and to cover up on our stressful eating, I always say that you have to have almost colorful plate you can have. That is your red, greens and yellows. So take lots and lots of fruits and vegetables in your diet, so that is increasing your fiber content also, that is increasing the antioxidant levels also, so that can cope up on your stress levels also. And taking this lot amount of fiber is really beneficial, because as I said, the COVID has not gone. It is just the lockdown has opened, it has loosened a little bit. So you have to maintain on your immune system, you have to maintain on your immunity levels. Those immunity levels, that immune system which we have done good during the lockdown period, we've had good amount of diet and good amount of nutrition. Now we don't have to compromise that, because this is the time when we need a good immunity, because you are now exposed to the outer world. Till this time we were at home safe, but now we are exposed to the outer world, so you don't need to, we can't even take 1.1% of chance to get our immunity levels down. So you have to have a good amount of fruits and vegetables so that you get good fiber in your diet. And you know why I am talking about immunity, because we need to keep our good fiber, because we need to keep our gut flora going good. You have to have a good gut flora, and for that you need two things. One is your probiotics and one is your prebiotics. Probiotics is your dahi that you have to have daily in your diet, especially when we have come over our lockdown thing. आप जब जा रहे हो, always carry yogurt with you in any form, or you can otherwise buy it, or you can take छाछ or such things. दही का preparations in any form you have to have it. It can be smoothies, it can be a छाछ, it can be a raitas or anything. दही लेना है because that's your natural probiotic. And why fibers? Because they are prebiotics which are going to help in better maintenance of your probiotics also and maintenance of your gut also. So do not skip your vegetables. Have lots and lots of fruits and vegetables in your diet, so that you have to keep a check on. And also when we are coming back to this new normal, you know what, we are coming back to our new normal. We have loosened on a lockdown, but the weather outside, the climatic conditions outside are really bad. Being in Rajasthan, being in Jaipur, even in the North India, the heat is really bad. And when the heat is really bad, COVID is still on, keep it in mind that do not compromise on your hydration levels. Take lots and lots of water. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अच्छा हाइड्रेशन मेंटेन करके रखो, क्योंकि हाइड्रेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, इम्यून सिस्टम को, इम्यून सेल्स के लिए भी हाइड्रेशन अच्छा होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज बेटर इज योर हाइड्रेशन, बेटर वुड बी योर इम्यून सेल्स इनसाइड. Also, it is very important that you keep your hydration very good, because right now the summers are really bad, and you have to keep yourself hydrated so you don't have that imbalance in your body anyways. So have a good amount of water and liquids. It can be a nariyal pani, it can be a nimbu pani especially. Why? Because we need to have good amount of vitamin C in our diet, as we had spoken, that to keep your immune system strong you need to have good vitamin C. That still continues because we are not compromising on immunity. So have your nimbu pani, have your nariyal pani, you can have your chach, you have your water, you can have your pana, you can have your keri ki chach, you can have anything like this which gives you good amount of hydration along with good amount of electrolytes that keeps you going and balance remains good. Also, you don't have to forget this very one point, that you have to keep a good amount of protein still going on in your body. So जब घर पे थे तब तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा you were focused that yes, I'm having my dals also, I'm having my dahi also, or I'm having my paneer also, but you still need to keep that focus on that every meal you consume in your day should have one exchange of protein. That's very important. Keep a check on your protein still going on. I don't say that you have extremely high amount of protein. I'm saying have a good quality protein, so that even if you take a small amount, it should give you that quality of that protein, so that keeps you going. So the quality of protein should be good, and you should keep that going even post of your lockdown, because I said COVID is still on. So you have to have your good amount of proteins. Also, when I'm talking about your proteins, keep good amount of your 3 vitamins, that's vitamin A, C and E, and remember all 3 colors, red, green, yellow, as I was mentioning. You have to have a good amount of these vitamins in your diet, so that keeps you giving good antioxidants, along with that immune system keeps you going. Right? So this is like when your lockdown is opening, you have to keep in mind. Also one thing, it's very important that you have now, because we are out of this lockdown, we can be physically more active. Right? Once we were at home, we were little constricted. I don't say that you have to roam about unnecessarily. Don't roam about unnecessarily, but yes, try to keep your BMR high. Try to keep your BMR going high. So you have to be physically more active. Try and take out some time for maybe a little bit, half an hour stroll half an hour stroll, but that should be a good stroll, active stroll, or any kind of moderate or active kind of physical activity. You should keep it going so that your BMR is going high, you are maintaining on your weights, and you are also keeping a good check on your immune levels, because physical activity again keeps your immune system good. Now, to remind you, when I was just now when I said you have to maintain on your weights, this was one thing which was a challenge during the lockdown, that people had to keep a check on the weight, that they don't gain. But there are many people who might have gained weight during the lockdown, and if you know that you've gained weight, this is the time that you have to keep a check on yourself. Keep a check on the groceries, what you're getting at home. Do not get obviously a high junk food, obviously all those things which you were trying, renovating the recipes in the lockdown. You don't have to come back to your simpler diets. Keep a check on the ingredients what you're consuming. Keep a check on the portion size what you are consuming. Your portion size should be controlled, smaller portions, and try to cook lots and lots of mode of medium of cooking should change. So it should be more of pressure cooking than pan cooking, so that we are avoiding that unnecessary amount of fats. Then also, when I'm talking about fats, just keep it in mind that unnecessary amount of bad fat I'm talking about, but you have to maintain that good fat in your body. You have to have that good fat continuously now also. So your essential fats are still essential. It's very important to have your essential fats. So that can be anything. It can be your almonds, it can be your walnuts, it can be your seeds like your chia seeds or your flax seeds, because that gives you good omega-3 fatty acids. Then it can be watermelon seeds, or it can be your melon seeds. Anything, whatever is there available at home or around, you have to consume that. Just a handful of that. So handful of your nuts, handful of your seeds you have to have daily. So that becomes an essential thing to consume till now also, once you're opening your once you're in this phase. Well, so this was about fats. Also keep a real big check on your sugar levels. Do not take unnecessary sugars now, especially once we are post the lockdown. We've had enough of meetha. We've tried having rasgullas, we've tried making any fancy nice recipe of sweet out of sweet, but now keep a little check on your sugars. So do not take extra sugars, especially when you're craving for sugars. Try and just switch over to your jaggeries and your honey, irrespective of this, that the amount should be very less. So it says just 1 teaspoon of your sugar or your jaggery or your honey, so better would be to switch over to your jaggeries and honeys instead of sugar. Keep an eye on your sugar levels. Also very important point during this is that you have to be very, very, very sure about that you are taking all essential of your vitamins and minerals. So I've already spoken about your 3 vitamins. Now the minerals, there are your iron, zinc and selenium and folic acid. They still remain in your equal consideration. You have to have the same thing. So you have to have all your dark green leafy vegetables, because we have an access to it. So have your dark green leafy vegetables, especially now you're just getting spinach. So have good handful of spinach, full bowl of spinach at least 4 to 5 times in a week. You have to have all those dark green leafy vegetables. Use your whole grains and whole pulses instead of your regular attas, and I will re-insist, do consume the coarser part of your whole grains and of your grains and pulses, because you would get good zinc out of it and good selenium. So keep a check on this. Also your iron contents, you have to keep a good check on your iron contents. Have lots and lots of dark green leafy vegetables, your chukund or your anar. Anars are easily accessible right now. So you have to have all your tomatoes, everything you have to have, along with your good amount of vitamin C, which is like you have to have good नींबू पानी तो मैंने आपको कह ही दिया, आपको लेना ही लेना है for sure, but otherwise also you can have anything. It can be a mausambi, it can be a malta, it can be a नींबू पानी, or it can be your amlas, it can be amla ka juice also. So have good amount of this in your diet, so that you are keeping a check on these minerals also in your lockdown. I mean, this is again to re-emphasize that we have just come out of the lockdown, but we have not come out of the crisis situation that we are going through. We are still in the same crisis situation. We have to overcome this COVID thing, and your immunity should never go down. You can't even take 0.1 chance to get your immunity levels down. So keep a check on this thing, and altogether we have to have a good balanced diet. So have a good balanced diet with a good amount of physical activity, so that we keep a good lifestyle. Do not forget, you have to have a good sleep also. Once we are post our lockdown, do not compromise on your sleep. You have to have a good sleep, so that again it is building your good immune levels, because हमने जितना भी मेहनत लॉकडाउन के वक्त में किया है हमारा इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ाने का, we can't waste it. So you have to have a good sleep also. Around 6 to 7 hours of your good sleep is essential. So please have a good sleep also with your good physical activity and a good diet. And very important thing to keep in mind is, however is your weight, we can always maintain it. We can always do many things to maintain it. Like I said, that we have to do all these things to keep a check on the above things which I've asked you to, and to increase your physical activity. We can easily maintain weight on that. Please do not go for any kind of crash diets or any kind of fat diets just to lose on your weight. So I would please say, do not go for any kind of fat diets, may it be intermittent fasting or may it be any kind of fat diet available next to you, because the way we are going to go over these fat diets, we are surely going to lose on the essential nutrients, very essential nutrients which we want for our body to go with this COVID and the new normal. And when we want our body to go with this COVID and the new normal, we cannot even think of losing any kind of nutrient. And especially in intermittent fasting, they are like long hours of fasting where people don't eat anything, and when you're going for your work outside, you are exposed to that kind of environment, and if you're not taking good amount of nutrition during that time, you are more vulnerable to this kind of viral attacks. You're more vulnerable to any kind of infectious attack. So please do not go for such kind of fasting mediums at this moment of time, because this is absolutely not the right time to follow any kind of fat diets. So do not, please say a complete no to any kind of fat diets. You can get back to your normal weight easily by having a good balanced diet and keeping a check on your physical activity patterns and a good healthy lifestyle. That is absolutely easily doable thing. We have to have a good lifestyle. जब आप ये सारा चीज़ें एक साथ करते हो, you are keeping a good lifestyle, not switching over of your any meals, compromising on any of your basic nutrients. Everything is going to be good, and you will have a safe lockdown. Keep a good social distance. Do not forget to put your mask, wear your mask, and keep safe on your basic hygiene. Wash your hands and have your good diet. Thank you very much.